Looking for fun and educational activities to do with your kids? Consider the world of gardening. It's not just about getting hands dirty and planting seeds. No, it's a magical journey that combines enjoyment and learning in a unique way. Through gardening, children can explore nature, delve into the fascinating world of science, and learn the importance of responsibility. The garden becomes a living classroom. Gardening with your kids can be a wonderful way to spend time together while teaching them valuable lessons. Why should you consider gardening with your kids? Engaging children in gardening activities can be a fantastic way to educate them about the captivating life cycle of plants, the crucial role nature plays in our world, and the fascinating science behind growing their own food. It's an activity that breathes life into textbook knowledge. Plus, nurturing and watching their plants grow instills a sense of responsibility and accomplishment. Gardening can truly be a classroom in your own backyard. Ready to get your hands dirty and start gardening with your kids? Begin with easy-to-grow plants like sunflowers or beans, which offer quick rewards and keep children engaged. Make gardening a regular family activity, not a chore. Explain to your little ones the importance of patience. Plants need time to grow, just like them. Most importantly, enjoy the process. It's not about having a green thumb, but about nurturing curiosity and bonding over shared experiences. Remember, it's not about having the perfect garden, but about the journey and the lessons learned. Gardening with kids is about more than just plants. It's an enriching journey where little ones learn about nature's cycle, responsibility, and patience. They get their hands dirty, yet their minds are nurtured. They discover the joy of growth, the thrill of nurturing, and the reward of patience. It's a wonderful educational playground that fosters an appreciation for our environment. So let's get those tiny hands toiling the soil and let the learning begin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Happy gardening!